I'm meteorologist Nick Marusiak, filling in for John Wheeler. The mild temperatures will end across the area. We've had a nice little run of those temperatures, 40s and even some spots near 60 degrees. But the lingering winter will continue as chilly temperatures make a return. We've seen some storms this March. Will we see more on the way? Of that. Here's what to expect over the next couple of days. Cool weather will reign supreme across the central and northern plains over the next week or so. The warm weather will remain in the south, and it does look like it'll be trapped by the jet stream. The jet stream will rise a little bit, but it's not going to really affect the weather across the central and northern United States. Not until we get this cold air mass dump. Again, it looks like another chance for some cold air to really work its way in through the northeast. The warm temperatures will remain in the desert southwest. Eventually, they will work their way east. But just as it looks like we will warm things up, it does look like another Pacific low will bring some cooler temperatures to the western United States, especially the Pacific Northwest for this weekend. And it does look like that'll make things even cooler across the Dakotas. Now, as we head into next week, it does look like that cool air will work its way east. The warm trend continues to push its way out of the central United States into the southeast. And then eventually we will be looking at that warm air rebuilding over the desert southwest, but it doesn't look like it'll extend to us. Instead, it just looks like the next 2 weeks will be around average, but on the cool side of average. The next system will work its way out of our area throughout the next few days. It does look like this has the potential to perhaps turn into yet another nor'easter for parts of the northeast, but then on the west coast, another low develops. This low will bring some rain and snow throughout the California and Oregon areas that will continue to push its way east over our area, but it doesn't look like it'll be here until the weekend. And at this point, again, rain and snow are possible with this. The next low out of the Pacific Northwest looks to track further to the north. It does look like this is more of a Canadian prairies area, but there will be multiple chances at other systems, including one during next week, and there's the potential for even more. Again, nothing too likely at this point, but there are at least the potential for more March storms on their way. So to sum things up, it's a cool trend. The mild weather has ended across the area. We'll see some mild temperatures in our future, but again, on the whole, it does look like we'll see that chilly weather lingering around. Winter is not going to be over quite yet. Now, while there's no major systems on the horizon, it does look like there's at least the possibility of a few more March storms before we close things out and head into April.